Will the new COVID-19 variant make a drastic change on global growth estimates? Probably an important change, because it is likely that we will see some lockdowns and some restrictions in certain areas, but not widespread, and certainly not like the first wave of COVID-19. I think that what we will likely see is that the lockdowns and restrictions that the Eurozone was going to impose anyhow before this new variant will continue. I think that also many economists and many investment banks are going to use this opportunity to revise growth estimates down, but not because of the variant itself, but because they were already excessively optimistic. Therefore, it is likely that central banks will use this period and the uncertainty created by this new variant to maintain a very loose monetary policy and very low rates. This, in turn, will continue to fuel inflation. Think about this. Even with the slump in oil prices that we saw with the scare of the new variant, oil prices remain about 50% above the level that they were at the beginning of the year, and above the levels, pre-pandemic levels. And also, same with food prices, same with the major commodities. Therefore, the likelihood of elevated inflation, slowdown in economic growth, high levels of debt, and central banks that continue with the monetary policy in a very accommodative and very loose way, low rates, high liquidity injections, is probably the scenario that we are facing into 2022.